So I'm here with Kelly at Continental Machining Company. And Kelly, I want to know about this MX-330 PC10, specifically on the automation side.
Yeah, we've got 10 pallets. We can run the same part on every pallet, or we can run a different part on every pallet. It's a fantastic platform.
So you can use it any kind of way.
Yep.
That's really interesting. So what does that make available to you as a machine shop owner when you're planning work?
For us, it's throughput in our quality department.
Okay.
We're a defense contractor. We do a lot of defense work.
Yeah.
And there's lead times that are tight. Quality is very important. So we have to really look at the parts very closely before we can start running and running and running. What this does for us, we can set up a part, get it into inspection.
Yeah.
While they're checking the part, we can set up the next operation. We can set up a completely different part. We can keep the ball rolling out here on this machine. By the time the FAI is back out here on the shop floor, ready to run. And then the next part is in inspection, going through the same process while we're running the first part. And it just keeps that cycle, that flow going.
That's awesome. So you can let your inspectors do everything they need to do to get you perfect parts.
Yep.
You don't have to rush them, you don't have to ride them, and your machine spindle gets to keep running the whole time.
Spindle uptime is big. It's everything here.
How does that compare to some of your other machine tools out there?
Other machine tools have to sit and wait while we're setting up parts.
That doesn't sound like a lot of fun.
No, it's not.
So how is it using this though? Is there a complicated control for the automation, or what does that look like?
No, this one's great. Most of the competitors in this space with automation are plugging a different system that the manufacturer isn't even making.
Oh, okay.
Then they have another computer over here that you're having to control the pallet system and then integrate to the control. Matsuura's done a great job of, this is their pallet pool. Yeah. They build it.
Okay.
It's all integrated, it's all purpose built, and everything's in their control, controlling the CNC programs and the pallet pool, and all the pallet changes in one spot.
So you can control it all from here?
All from there.
You don't have to worry about the computers not playing nice together?
Nope.
Any issues with sensors or alignment?
Nobody's pointing fingers at it's their fault. No, it's your fault.
That sounds like a lot easier than some of the solutions that are out there on the market.
Yes, much easier.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much.